So this is a little tutorial about Frere Jacques on the baritone ukulele. I'm here, the first part of it is 4 notes. I'm putting my third finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string for the first note. And it goes like this. So that's a D note, then the open string, 2nd finger, 1st string, and then back here. That's the first part of Frere Jacques. There's 4 notes. Dum, dum, dee, dum. It starts and then it returns to that same note. The second part's even easier. I put my first finger on the 2nd fret and it goes like this. My pinky is in the 5th fret and I'm starting here. I'm skipping this right there. I'm just going D, 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 D. And I start this in the 2nd fret on the 1st string. Let's put those 2 together. I'll play the end of the song, but I'm not going to teach the end of the song. So I'm showing the end of the song, but I'm not teaching the end of the song. So that's Frere Jacques. Do, 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 do. That's called a hammer-on. Thank you for watching.